What is up guys, welcome to Python Brothers. We are making a phone locator using Python today. So I will open my sweet PyCharm. Okay, it's opening. Now I will create one Python file called phone locator. And the Python file is created. Now I will open my terminal. Type pip install phone numbers. Yes, you will use the library called as phone numbers. I already installed it. That's why it just installed in second. Now I will start the program. First we will import the library called as phone numbers. We will give the number as input by taking number variable, and we have to give input in a string. Now this will print the location of phone. We are also printing the carrier of phone number. This line will print carrier like Jio, BSNL, Vodafone, etc. etc. I will run the program and just see. This number is from Gujarat and the operator is Jio. Okay, I will now try on another numbers just to clarify it that it works on all numbers. Okay, and don't worry guys, I will give the source code in the description. See, this program works like a charm on all numbers. Okay. Hope you like the video guys, and don't forget to subscribe our brand new channel called Python Brothers. Thank you.